Hi dear students, how are you all of you? You all are very warmly welcome in this online session. Dear student, see, we have started the lesson and I have uploaded two part of these lessons, and in this online video, see, I am going to upload this third video and the third part of this lesson. Because this lesson is quite big of 4 pages, it was not possible to finish in the one video, so I have separated this and I have made separate videos of this lesson. Okay, see, in the previous I have finished up to here, and we can shall start from the next. Dear student, just I will make you remember how much we have learned. See, Helena, step sister of Moricula, before she told her to bring some violets, after she told her to bring some strawberries, now her demand is to bring apple. Now Moricula, she went in the higher mountain, top mountain, and directly she went to home. 12 months and they were sitting around the fire. Now she is asking, please kind sir, help me. Grand January nodded and asked her, what are you looking for today? Now January was also the familiar with the demands of her mother and sister. I am looking for red apples. If I don't bring them, my sister and my mother will kill me. Now Maricula, as before, she told that they have told me to bring red apples, and if I don't, they will kill me. Tell me, father, tell me, please, where I could find them, and please, father, tell me, where will I get these apples? Great January rose up. He went over to of the older months. It was September, and one of the older month was there. Which one, dear student? It's the September. And to September he has gone, and he handed the club to him, and the club was given to September, and January told, brother, take the high seat. Who is telling this? January is telling to September. Month September took the high seat upon the stone and swung the club over the fire. See, September, he has taken the high seat and he swung the club over the fire. Now the fire began to turn with red flame. Now the fire, it was began to turn red flame. The snow began to melt, and the snow was there. Again it began to melt. But there was a cold wind that sent the faded leaves down to the ground. See, now the seasons, how they get changed, they have told. Before, we have in the June we have seen that the trees were full of leaves. Now here in the September, the leaves are getting shaded, leaves are coming down. It was autumn. Now autumn is the started. Maricula saw just one apple tree with red apples hanging high amongst its branches. See, and Maricula, what she has seen? Apple tree, and this apple tree there were red apples, and these apples were high among its branches. Shake the tree at once, Maricula commanded September. What September commanded to her? The tree is there, you have to shake this tree and the apples will come out. See, right, gladly Moricula shook the tree, and gladly she had shook the tree. Yes. And first one apple fell down, then another, and two apples were fell down from the tree. Now Maricula, that's enough. Run home quickly, shouted the months. Now months, they have shouted, that is enough. Take these two apples and run. Maricula obeyed at once, and Moricula, she has also obeyed to 12 months. She picked up the apples, thanked the months with all her heart, and ran merrily home. And these two apples she took and she went home. Helena and the stepmother wondered when they saw Maricula bringing the 2 apples. Again they have wondered, Helena and stepmother, that she was bringing 2 apples. Yes. Where did you get them? Asked Helena. And Helena what asked? Where did you get these apples? I found them in the forest on the high mountain. And she is telling, where I got these apples? At the high mountain on the forest. And why didn't you bring more? Or did you eat them on the way? Said Helena harshly. See, harshly what Helena asked? Why did you bring only 2? Because when she told to bring violets, she has brought so many violets. When she told to bring strawberries, she brought so many strawberries. But apples only were 2. Or she told, or while bringing home, did you eat these apples or what? Then she is telling, alas, sister dear, I haven't even tasted them. Now she is telling, poor Maricula is telling, I didn't tasted even those apples. I shook the tree twice, 2 apples fell down. 2 times I shook the tree, but only I got 2 apples, and they wouldn't let me shake the tree again. And who were there, they did not allow me to shake the tree again. They did not allow me to shake the tree more. They shouted at me and they told that go directly home. Okay? May you be struck to death by lightning, said the wicked Helena, and began to eat the apple. And see, even she was not happy that she has brought apple to her. She has told, may you struck to death, okay, by lightning. And she has started to eat the apple. It tasted so delicious that she told her mother she had never tasted anything so nice in all her life. Then Helena told to her mother that this fruit is very much tasty. This apple is very much tasty. Like this apple, I have never tasted anything in my life. See, the stepmother liked it too. Even stepmother, she also has eat these apples. When they had finished, they wanted some more, and they have finished these 2 apples. But they were greedy. They wanted to eat more apples. Mother, give me my fur coat. Let's go to the forest ourselves and get the apples. Then Helena is telling, Mother, give me my fur coat, and we will go to where? We will go to the forest and we will get more apples. That ragged little wretch, see, they have ragged little wretch, would eat them all up again on her way home. Yes, we will find the place all right, and I will shake them all down, however they shout at me. Helena is telling, we will go there, I will shake the tree, I will get all the apples down, let them want to shout, let them shout. Yes, her mother agreed readily, and mother was also agree with her. They wrapped themselves in fur coats and shawls, and off they went to the forest. And mother and Helena, they have wrapped themselves in fur coat and they went to the forest. Now the snow lay deep and they wandered about for a long time, but at last they saw the top of the mountain where the big fire was burning and the 12 months were sitting. See, they have wandered there and they have seen, at the last they have seen the top mountain and the 12 months they were sitting, yes, around the fire. They stepped up to the fire and stretched out their hands to warm them without asking permission or speaking one polite word. And they have stepped forward, mother and Helena, and directly they went to near to fire and they have started warming their hands. Even they have not taken permission from these 12 months. They have not speak any polite word to these 12 months. Why you have come here and what are you looking for? Asked Great January crossly. January was also crossly. With crossly he had asked, why you came here and what are you looking for? Why do you want to know, you old fool? Replied Helena angrily. And Helena, she was angry. With angrily she told that, she replied, why do you want to know that? Why I came here? It's no business of yours, said her mother. And mother told, it is none of your business to ask me that why you came here and what do you want. Great January frowned and swung the club over his head. The sky grew dark in a moment. The fire burned low. The snow began to fall thick and icy. Wind began to blow through the forest. Helena, her mother, couldn't see one step in front of them. Now Great January got angry, and what January done? Front his head, swung the club over his head. Because of this January, the sky grew dark. See how it's get changes, how the environment get changes. See the sky it grew dark in a moment. The fire it was burning low, and because of low fire, snow began to fall thick. Yes, and icy wind began to blow, and icy very cold wind started to blow. Even Helena and her mother, they could not see any step in front of them. Yes, they tried to find their way out, but the snow fell in huge masses and soon they were lost in it. See, because of January, this snow it started falling very huge masses in very more amount, and the Helena and stepmother they have lost their way. At home, Moricula waited and waited, and yet Helena and her mother did not come back. See, Moricula, she was at home. She was waiting for mother and sister, but they did not come back. When she went to search for them, she found neither her mother and sister nor the 12 months in the forest. And Moricula, she has went there to find them. She did not find her mother. She did not find her sister. Even she did not get these 12 months in the forest. At last, she returned home sadly, and she got sad. She returned home. So good Moricula inherited to cottage and the land around it. See, and this Moricula inherited the cottage and land around it. She married a kind husband and they both lived happily ever after. And see, Moricula, she did not get her sister and mother at the end because they have lost in the thick ice. And she afterwards she married to kind husband, and this both they started living happily there. Yes, this was very nice, dear students. I have uploaded 3 part of this lesson on our channel. At the next video I will upload this exercise of this. To see this exercise, dear student, to understand exercise, see all 3 parts of this lesson which I have uploaded on my channel. Yes, thank you.